Hey guys, so in this video, we're gonna go over how to get funding, either funding for your business, funding personally, even home buying, how to get a loan, period. Now, the formula to get a loan, 1 + 1 = 2, credit plus income equals money. Okay, so if you have good credit and you have good income, you can qualify for a loan. So many people out there right now are working full-time jobs, have good income, and they have decent credit and don't understand that those two can be used to your advantage, especially if you're a business owner. So if you have good credit and you have good income, you have access to money. So click the link down below in the description box. I do free consultation calls and I'll let you know how you can use that credit and use that income to get what you want, which is a home. If you want to buy a home, you need good credit and you need income. If you need a business loan, you need good credit, you need income. And when I say income, that means your tax returns. So you need to file a positive tax return. If you're a business owner and you're just running your business year after year and you're not filing any tax returns, then you are losing out on potential funding. So let's reiterate it again. If you want some money and you're not a business owner and you just want some money, get your credit right. Use that income that you're already making. Majority of us are W-2 employees. So you already have income. Use that credit, use that income to get you some money. And of course, use that money to get you some more money. Okay? So if you have any questions, I do free consultations where I help you with your credit. I also help you find ways to increase your income so we can add those two together to make more money, okay? And have a plan for that money to make even more money. All right, guys, click the link down below. Peace.